Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you wonderful and trendy belt blouse design and outfit ideas. So please watch the video till end. Friends, nowadays the trendy and versatile belt blouse design are in trend. This kind of unique fashion belt blouse design trend has gained more popularity among fashion world. Its ability to transform any outfit into stylish outfit. This video we are showing you some of the best and unique belt blouse design for your reference. In recent years, the belt blouse are in unique trend. This kind of unique style combination, classic elegant of the blouse with a trendy eye-catching addition of a belt. The belt acts as a statement of accessories. Nowadays, belt blouses are available in various style, design and fabric. This kind of belt blouse suitable for both formal and casual occasion. One of the main reasons for a belt blouse popularity is their versatility. Whether you want to wear it for special event or everyday look, the belt blouse can be your go-to fashion piece. The belt blouse is a best choice for this kind of fashion world. You can wear a belt blouse with a skirt and jeans to add sophistication. This kind of belt blouse allow you to experiment with different style and create unique outfit. When you are selecting a belt blouse, it's more important to consider your body type. Ensure that your body type is flattering fit. Silk and satin belt blouse with intricate detailing for a sophisticated and classic look for the formal event. For a casual event, a cotton or linen belt blouse for first choice. Nowadays, all celebrities love to wear this kind of belt blouse design. Kind of belt blouse design have become a favorite among the fashion world. Friends, if you are choosing belt blouse in contrasting color or material, it gives a visual interest to your outfit. Belt blouse with a saree create a more polished look. Friends, belt blouse with silk saree is a best choice for wedding and engagement. One of the main advantage of belt blouse is comfort and style. Also provide flattering fit by defining your waistline. Friends, if you wear belt blouse for formal event, it allows you to feel comfortable, confident and effortlessly styled. Friends, if you are a fashion designer, you can unleash your creativity and design your own belt blouse and purchase a plain blouse in a market and a belt of your choice and explore various design and technique to attach a belt securely. Friends, create a unique and personalized belt blouse that perfectly matches your style. Friends, in a fashion world, the belt blouse is a fashionable that can elevate your style and add a touch of glamorous to any outfit. Belt blouse gives a versatility, flat fit and endless styling possibilities. Friends, this kind of belt blouse perfect suitable for wedding wear saree, reception wear sarees, silk saree, college wear, formal wear, travel wear, party wear chiffon and Georgian sarees, sequin saree and etc. Adopt this kind of trendy and unique experience, the confidence and elegance that come with wearing a belt blouse. Friends, I hope you guys love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you friends and keep watching.